Hey, what's going on, everyone? A horrible blizzard that has shut down my state, it's shut down businesses, it's shut down stores. The entire state's on lockdown. So today's video is going to be about that, what people have done, what's going on, how bad is it. Without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe.
At the direction of Governor Jared Polis. He's just the latest leader urging people to stay home so you can avoid having to be rescued from winter weather this weekend.
And memories of blizzards past are impacting store shelves. Not one carton of milk left. Workers struggling to keep essentials in stock for 3 days now.
Governor Jared Polis is activating the National Guard now. About 50 Guard members are now on standby for search and rescue missions.
The wind and the snow that is coming our way. So that is certainly going to be something to look at.
What this means, an additional 2 to 6 inches of snow before all is said and done. And not only that, when we're talking about a blizzard, it really has more to do with the wind than the actual snowfall. So we're looking at 45-mile-per-hour gusts pretty much consistently throughout the rest of this afternoon and this evening. And that's what's showing up here when we're looking at our current wind gusts. 46 miles per hour in Centennial. We're at near 50 miles per hour out at DIA. And so with that, no surprise, our visibility is not good right now.